Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Calendar and signing into your Google account. This connects all events across devices. Create a dedicated calendar for work or personal use now, then choose a color to visually separate entries. Next, tap the plus or create button to add your first event. Name, date, time. Once done, add location or conferencing details so invites include useful info. Make sure notifications are set so you don't miss the event. You'll now manage the event's details, set exact time and duration, and pick a recurrence pattern for repeating tasks. Add guests and choose attendee permissions, whether they can modify or only view. Attach documents or meeting links for quick access, and use the scheduling or week view to confirm there's no overlap. Once done, save and send invites. Guests receive email and calendar notifications. Make sure to review time zones when inviting participants. To finish, optimize your calendar. Set default notification types and times so you get reminders via email or mobile push. You can change default event durations and working hours to improve scheduling. If invites aren't appearing, check that sync is enabled on both the app and your Google account, and confirm the event is on the correct calendar. Troubleshooting tip: if events duplicate or disappear, toggle calendar visibility and resync. If needed, remove and re-add the account to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.